Me call you.
Don't miss the real-to-life Jamaican play, Bad
They make you
Influence.
so worthless. That boy, I know nobody. If you drop that boy in a heap of rubbish in last, because him and it are the same thing. You could have take up all two bully beef tin and trousers and believe it's him. You abusing somebody. Not even hello, you know, if you say to him, it will lower your prestige.
But Daddy will never do anything.
So hold on, so Uno is planning to do something.
Daddy will never say that.
And you better not. Now, I am planning to spend some money on you. I will be sending you to lawyer school that you can become a doctor.
But you hire me to study for.
You shall be a doctor. That if me or your man take sick in you can repair it. So whether you go to university school, you tech school, lawyer school, or doctor school, talk chat to the boy.
But he's my friend.
Which friend?
Bad
You know,
Influence.
hear what them say friend with a friend. Them say friend,
Daddy!
friend, and I don't want him to do that to you.
So we can't have no friend.
Of course you can have friends, me love, but not him.
Bad
The
Influence.
simplest chance that boy get him will pregnant you.
And what if my dad stop talk to him?
Then you talk to me.
Bad
No,
Influence.
I've been watching you from the other day. I've been noticing, I've been observing you. And you are going like you is woman. Since your little pro box them start on JUTC. But let me tell you something. Me will make them go in back. You hear me? Me will unsprinkle you.
Don't miss the real-to-life Jamaican play, Bad Influence. Coming to a venue near you soon.
It's what you do now.
I keep man. Imagine petal. I keep man.
That was wrong with that.
You keep man with me too.
Coming to a venue near you.
Woman keep her man.
That's right, woman, not right, woman keep man, not she. She not ready to
Bad
do something there.
Influence.